Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. If you've blocked people on Instagram and want to unblock them or clean up your block list, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to do it. Step 1. Open your Instagram app on your phone and make sure you're logged into the account where you've created your block list. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner to navigate to your profile page. Step 2. Look for the menu icon, which appears as 3 horizontal lines, and tap it to open your settings menu. From there, scroll down until you find the settings option and tap it to access your account settings. Step 3. In settings, look for the privacy section and select it. You'll see various privacy options, and one of them will be your blocked accounts. Tap on blocked accounts to view everyone you've blocked. Step 4. You'll now see a list of all the people you've blocked on Instagram. Review this list carefully because once you unblock someone, they can message you and see your content. To unblock someone, simply tap the unblock button next to their name. Step 5. After you've unblocked all the people you want to unblock, just close the settings menu and you're done. Your block list will be updated automatically, and those accounts will no longer be blocked. That's the complete process for managing and deleting your Instagram block list in 2026.